If you clean your kitchen with a product that's too harsh, this is what might happen. Jif is different. Jif lifts even tough stains and leaves surfaces feeling like new. Jif, with the power to clean right through to the shine.
Every day, someone new finds the way to Winalot Prime. And Winalot Prime finds the way to give them 50% more meat than the best-selling tinned dog food in Britain. Prime meat. Instinct leads to it.
The Birdseye Country Club is where we're heading for. Those tender little veggies don't know what's in store.
We hear you knocking, but toughies can't come in. We hear you knocking, you're cracking up a bean.
Well, entry regulations can be kinda tough. They say we got no taste.
And we ain't sweet enough. We hear you knocking, but toughies can't come in.
Only the best can join the Birdseye Country Club. Tough veg just don't get in.
Where you been?
Families are supposed to be alike, not mine. George is always joking. Where'd she get that red hair?
Come on, we'll make the kickoff if
We don't agree on anything. Good job there's two sorts of Vosine. George is dedicated to medicated. And Miss, who has to wash her hair every day, likes the fresh smell of Vosine Herbal. So we have one thing in common, hair that's really clean, thanks to medicated Vosine.
The art of making casserole sauces, perfected by Knorr. For our white wine sauce, we brought together wine with slices of mushrooms picked in their prime, diced green and red peppers, and chopped onions, herbs and spices. Now, with any one from the Knorr range of recipe sauces, you can create a fresh-tasting casserole. Knorr recipe sauces. Fresh ways of making perfect casseroles.